Snake Island, also known as Ilha da Queimada Grande, is an intriguing and mysterious island located approximately 33 kilometers off the coast of São Paulo, Brazil. It's a small, uninhabited island covering an area of about 43 hectares, but despite its diminutive size, it holds a fascinating and somewhat sinister reputation. The island earned its ominous nickname due to its incredibly high density of one of the world's deadliest snakes, the Golden Lancehead Viper, Bothrops insularis. It's estimated that there are anywhere from 1 to 5 snakes per square meter on the island. The Golden Lancehead is a critically endangered species and is found nowhere else in the world except for Snake Island. These snakes are highly venomous, with venom potent enough to melt human flesh. Their venom contains a toxin that can cause hemorrhaging, kidney failure, and ultimately, death if not treated promptly. Because of this, the Brazilian government strictly prohibits public access to the island, and it is considered one of the most dangerous places on Earth for humans to visit. The island's isolation and lack of human presence have contributed to the flourishing snake population. It's believed that the snakes became so concentrated on the island due to rising sea levels that isolated it from the mainland thousands of years ago. Without natural predators, the snakes thrived, preying on migratory birds that visit the island. Despite its forbidding reputation, Snake Island holds a certain allure for adventurers and scientists alike. Biologists are particularly interested in studying the unique ecosystem and evolutionary adaptations of the Golden Lancehead. However, any research conducted on the island must be carefully planned and conducted under strict supervision due to the dangers posed by the snakes. While Snake Island remains off-limits to the general public, its enigmatic nature continues to capture the imagination of people worldwide, perpetuating its status as one of the most intriguing and mysterious locations on the planet.